This is the Xton PU leather guitar pick holder I was sent to review. So let me show you a closer look. Here's the guitar pick case. It snaps closed and there are all your slots. Wow. There are 20 guitar pick slots in here. I've only got 2 picks to show you. It just tucks in like that. And it's nice and snug, so it's not gonna fall out, not easily anyway. I also have a little thumb pick here, so let's see if that'll fit in here. All the little slots are cut out, and then you just close it, snap it shut. It's a magnetic snap, so it's really easy. It does fit with something like this in here, although it's a little bit snug. So I'll show you without. That's just gonna be so super compact when you're just having the flat picks in there. A really nice PU leather outside. Honestly, it looks leather, it feels leather. This part's not sealed, but this part on the top and bottom are waterproof. So you can bring it with you outside. Don't have to worry about it too much. It's nice and portable. That's open, but they're not gonna fall out. Nothing to worry about in there. That is the hinge, so to speak, everything fabric. And then you do have this metal clip here where you can attach the lanyard if you want. This is a little lobster clasp. Boom. There you go. So you can wear it around your neck if you need to. You can hang it from something, hang it from your guitar stand, your coat rack, whatever. Cute little logo here. I love that the shape is a guitar pick and then it holds your guitar picks. Like, that's just so cute. So cute. I love it. It's a great gift to someone who plays guitar, a child who's learning guitar, an adult who loves guitar, to yourself, whatever. Like, really cute. I love it and I know you will too.